students of Standard 7, welcome to your geography class. In geography, you are going to learn chapter 2 about the atmosphere. You should know, or you must have already studied in junior classes, about the 4 realms of our earth. Which are they? Hydrosphere, the sphere of water; atmosphere, the sphere of air; and the lithosphere, the sphere of rocks. So our earth is made of these 3 important spheres, and the zone where all these 3 spheres meet, that is known as biosphere. So where there is biosphere, or all these 4 realms of the earth, life can exist here. So life is possible only where there is atmosphere, where there is hydrosphere, where there is lithosphere. If any one sphere is missing, life is not possible. We cannot imagine about life. No other planet has life. Why? Because of the absence of hydrosphere. In some of the planets, because of absence of atmosphere, but our earth is a unique planet where life can exist, and due to these all spheres. Today you are going to learn about the atmosphere. What do you mean by the atmosphere? You can see it is an envelope of our earth, or it is the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. So, what is atmosphere? Why we are saying, or we have termed as the blanket? Because it protects our earth from various elements or radiation coming from the sun. Ultraviolet rays, which is protected, which cannot reach the earth's surface due to the ozone layer which is present in the atmosphere. Different layers of the atmosphere are also protective. They are protecting our earth, as providing favorable temperature which can reach the surface of the earth. So all these you will study in higher classes. Today you should know what is found in the atmosphere, or what is the composition of the atmosphere. Our atmosphere is the mixture of gases, water vapor and dust particles. If you see, there are many important gases which are life supporting gases, and they are present in the atmosphere. Largely, if you see, nitrogen is found, and that is about 78%. The second important gas found largely in the atmosphere, that is 21%, is the oxygen, and other gases about 1%, and these other gases are helium, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, ozone and argon, like these other gases. So, if you see the composition of the atmosphere, our Earth's atmosphere is the mixture of different gases. They are life supporting gases, water vapor, pollen grains, dust particles. All these are largely found in the atmosphere. If you see close to the surface of the earth, they are densely found, and as you go higher and higher, they are rarefied. So, what you have learned today, do remember. What do you mean by the atmosphere? The blanket of air surrounding our earth. And if you see the composition of the atmosphere, it is the mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and other gases like helium, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, etc. So do remember. Thank you.